Great to see it in here. Much smaller than the Lincoln. Takes up half the room, but we got some cool stuff going on here today. We need to get this thing lowered, right? We can't leave them with the stock suspension.
Yeah, no.
So, also, those may realize that we're still rocking 4-lug, and that's obviously not going to cut it. So, today we're going to go ahead and install some coilovers and a 5-lug swap. So, let's just get right into it. All right, so first off, we have our coilovers. Now, these, as you guys can tell, are from Raceland. Now, we bought these ourselves, and you guys may ask why. So first off, they're very, very cost effective, very budget friendly, and they actually come with a full lifetime warranty, Morgan.
Yes.
Full lifetime warranty. So if you have any issues down the line, if a coilover blows, if a strut blows, if you just have any issues, whatever they are, they help you out. They send you a new coiler, they send you a replacement, no questions asked. So that's pretty cool. Also, they do kind of advertise that the reason why they're so cheap is they don't really have a middleman, so they're able to just sell them straight from their own manufacturing warehouse. However that goes, I'm not too sure on the process, but these are only 500 bucks.
Right.
Okay, and we have camber adjustment. Let me just show you what we got. So just take all this out of the way. I actually had a set of these on my S14 way back in the day, and they actually rode really good. And these are, I think, the next step up as far as adjustability and quality. So here are the fronts. Super nice unit. You guys can see we do have the camber adjustment, which mine did not have. So this is actually really heavy. Feels really good. Pretty stoked to get these on the car. But I guess let's just kind of get the rest unboxed and move on to the 5-lug. And if you guys want, we'll have this stuff down in the description below if any of you guys want to go ahead and grab some for your own car yourself. Maybe we'll have it on our website. Who knows?
Who knows?
Either way, let's just finish unboxing this. Let me just show you the rear really quick. And then, I don't know, we got a little fun box here.
Ooh.
Oh.
What's in
I
there?
don't know. Okay. Oh, look at that.
Is that a keychain?
That is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Oh my god.
That's actually pretty cool.
There we go. I like it.
We don't need this bit, or we could do either or, but yeah, how awesome is that?
I like it.
Love
That's very fun.
We love that. And here are the rear. So, we have our OEM quality 5-lug wheel bearing swap. So this is the whole shebang. Okay, got the bearing, all good to go. They bolt straight on, very easy. All right, well, the next thing to do is just toss all the new stuff on and take all the new stuff off. Let's get to it. Down. Got a couple of 19s to take off the brake rotor or caliper. They're so small. I forgot how tiny these are. They're like the size of my hand.
Dang.
I mean, I could get pinky to thumb. Okay.
Wow.
Wingspan of my hand.
Wingspan of your hand.
We also have new brake lines.
We do?
We have a lot of new stuff. Yeah, we have a lot of cool parts coming. Well, actually, they're already here. They've been here. So once the car's painted, everything just goes together. Well, once we do the brakes, we do the brake lines as well. So
yeah,
a little bit here, a little bit there. We'll be looking good.
Ooh. I like that.
I've worked alone enough to where you start utilizing your other limbs.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
To get the job done.
That's fun.
We got a 30 mil nut. Now, should be as easy as, there's gonna be a washer, so you'll have to reuse this. Okay, don't forget about it. That's it.
Wow.
4 lugs off. The front's easy. Got our grease, all-purpose grease, and we'll just apply a nice skim coat. Obviously, make sure the spindle is clean. We just did a comparison really quick. I mean, look at the crustiness.
Oh.
Right? I mean, we don't like that.
No.
What we do like is this right here. So, take it, place it on. Oh, there it is. Hey.
Wow,
money.
beautiful.
Okay. It's a little slick, okay? It's a little slippery, just be mindful of that. And it does have a keyway, guys, so please be aware. You can't just slide it in any which way, which I seem to have done. All right, get your big boy torque wrench out, and you gotta get this thing all the way up to 140 foot-pounds, so. And we are good as new. Next up, coilover. Easy, like I said, 5 bolts total.
Bringing out the big boys.
Sometimes the old earthquake can't handle it, so you have to bring out
Dang.
the old trusty steed.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, turn the steering lock on. Oh, okay.
There we go. Love that.
Sucker was on there, huh? Yahtzee. Okay. Next. Come on. Really? It's 15? Who uses that? This is a weird bolt. Do you see this? What is that?
I don't know.
Is that, maybe it is factory. I've just never encountered this before because it might allow you to adjust the camber. Come on. Okay. Yeah, see? How so when you rotate the bolt, it moves it. It moves the upper part of this, the spindle, so it kind of will adjust the camber. That's pretty cool. That must be factory. It's weird that it's a 15 though. These big old boys. Well, we're about to be stance boys with this car. Well, at least initially. We're gonna max this out, is what I'm getting at. Just like that. And it's enough to at least give you some protection. This might take a while. Okay, see? There you go, look at how tiny. Can we get a comparison? Look at how shorter that is.
Yes.
Off the bat.
Right.
Okay?
Woo!
And she goes, huh? And it does come with new hardware. Nice little caps too. So we put these back on, that way you don't like scrape your elbows, your arms when you're like working the engine bay.
I didn't even see
They're really nice.
those.
They're really nice to have. No one really thinks about those, but they're a nice little touch. This all seems really nice, like super high quality too.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
I am actually impressed. And like I said, we bought these. We're not paid to say any of this. We did reach out to them like, hey, you guys want to help us out? Like, we're not doing any sponsorship right now. I was like, okay. These just slide right in, just as they normally would. Top hat has to line up so you can adjust, obviously. One thing I see that might be a little bit of an issue right now is this Allen. This Allen bolt will have to go closer in. We may have to run these 2 center. Let's just think about it. Negative, we'll push it over this way. So we may have to, we may have to run these 2 center holes, which is fine, which is actually what I run on my 240. So I think that's just the way the strut towers are spaced out. That's all they really allow you to run. So we'll just change those mounting position. That's why they have extra holes, so you can kind of choose where you want to put them. So we'll do that real quick and we'll be back to it. And now obviously you guys know this, we're gonna paint the engine bay. We're not gonna leave it like this. Full tuck, kind of clean shave. It's gonna be really nice, so don't think we're leaving it as it is. Can't do that, can we?
No.
That's not how we roll.
No.
So, bang, bang. So now you guys see we have ample room. And depending on how much camber we want, we may have to move this bolt over into this side so that we can move it over, but we shouldn't need that much. We honestly even may need a little bit of a spacer with the wheel that we're rocking. We'll see. But now, since we're so low, we have to push this all the way up, which I don't know if it's Gonna want to, I might have to jack it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to jack that up.
Dang.
The sway bar's kind of holding us up.
Nice.
Will Black Betty get us there? She will.
She will.
Got some nice gradient hardware. Perfect. Fits in beautifully. And there is still gonna be a bit of adjustment, but definitely less. These coilovers actually have a slot. They're notched up front. Can you tell maybe? See how they're kind of like egg-shaped? Maybe you can see on camera. Maybe let me show them. You can kind of tell that it's egg-shaped, so it gives you a little bit of play to adjust the camber even more. Something fell.
Where did that go?
Went inside of Black Betty.
Are you serious? That all about.
Sorry about that. I didn't get nuts.
Come on.
Oh, no washer. She's gonna be low if we keep it at that height, which I'm not too sure we will be able to. Obviously, we'll tuck this whole harness above, and you won't rub through it, so don't worry about that. But cool, we got one done, 3 to go.
3 to go.
Well, it's the next day, and reason being, we didn't get to do much last night just because we couldn't get the axle nuts off. We had to get a 36 mil socket. I had one, I guess it's gone now at the moment. I lost it somewhere. So we got one this morning, did that side off camera. We actually did the whole passenger side off camera, so that's all good to go. So we're gonna end it with this guy over here now. Same deal, take the wheel off. We have a whole new assembly for the 5-lug swap back here as well. So let's go ahead and show you guys kind of how you get this side done. Oh, pleasant noise. So now to take this off, it's a little bit trickier than the fronts. You still have your main axle nut that you have to remove, but you also then have 4 17 mil bolts on the back side that hold it in. So those you'll have to just kind of rotate the axle itself. There's like little flat spots in the back that allow you to get to those bolts. And we're also going to trim off this flap on the brake dust shield, so we have the room for the new brakes. So let's go ahead and yank this thing off. Washer, okay?
The washer.
I'm gonna go trim this up real quick. Just basically gonna take off this whole flange. Tin snips are way easier, as we found, than grinding. We're trying to use an air saw. Just use tin snips, okay? It's not that thick. Five-lug swap, almost. Okay? Mm-hmm. Almost.
Almost.
Put our little washer, no keyway, slide that puppy on. See? Perfect. Okay?
Perfect. Great.
You put your little cap on, your little pin back in. Bada bing, bada boom, we're done. Okay?
Okay.
Done deal, okay? Just to show you guys a comparison how much shorter these are. And this, like I said, well, I haven't said, this is about 2 inches higher than max, right?
Yes.
So we're not gonna max it out just because we tried. Here are the results. And very low, I couldn't even fit the wheel in there. So yeah, obviously we had to raise it up. So we got it to where we need to be, and well, at least for now, I'm sure we'll raise it up again. This is just to, you know, for the YouTube thumbnail, right? And the scene points, right?
Oh, the scene points.
So we're gonna go ahead and just pop these suckers in. That's it. We're done.
That's it.
Okay? Now you put your fancy wheels on. Okay? Which we actually have.
Which we do
Right.
have.
But you're not gonna see it in this video, unfortunately. You'll see it in
The next one.
tomorrow or
Whatever.
the day after. We're not gonna make you wait another week. Don't worry about that. It'll be very soon.
Yes.
Well, everything is all assembled. You guys can see we got our fake BBS, Morgan's favorite set of wheels over there. Isn't that your favorite set of wheels, Morgan? Yeah, she loves these wheels. So we got, obviously these are not the wheels that are gonna be rocking on the car. Just kind of a set of wheels to get us on the ground, because I really want to show you how it all looks. And these are Austin's wheels, again, not gonna be the wheels on the ground. And also, by the way, I'm in the process of doing a Z32 rear brake conversion. Now, I will not be posting that in this video. We're gonna do a full video on the whole conversion very, very soon. I just need to get a lot of new parts. Well, I kind of started to do the process and realized, well, these parts are kind of old and crusty, and maybe it'd probably be best if we just go ahead and get ourselves everything all new. So that's what we're gonna do. Been working on Austin's car. I took the subframe out, that's over here. So we're just kind of rocking and rolling. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this thing on the ground just to show you guys how we look, even though it's not gonna be on the ground. I'm gonna have to put on these wheels just because I know I won't be able to get off the lift. And it has no brakes, so I really can't drive it or do anything. Also, like I said, CTSV brake up front, big boy brakes, and then we're going a nice upgrade for the Z32. So let's go ahead and get this on the ground, see how it looks. I'm pretty excited, and just so you guys know, the new wheels, we test fitted them, and they look absolutely insane. So you guys are gonna love the next video. Over here, we got some 18s, and oh yeah, we're gonna probably need to raise it some more, because this clearly probably is a little bit too much of a tuck. I don't know if I'm trying to be that stance way with this car. Up front, you guys are gonna be seeing me do a full out like wire harness tuck up here so this doesn't get tuned through, because it's a pretty common issue. If you guys lower your car, don't move this harness. You will rub through that so quick and have so many issues. So we're gonna rock this up on top. Also gonna have a new, I guess, grommet for the inside of that harness. Same harness, but that's where it goes into the car, so we'll make sure that's all safe. And yeah, we're gonna probably have to clearance a little bit in here. So I remember I had issues with my 240 and I wasn't even this low. So let me put a fender on so you guys get a good sense. Dang. So I think the front height is pretty good. That'll probably stay close to where it's at. Pretty reasonable, I'd say. And then the rear definitely is gonna have to go up because that's just too much. But I at least want to show you guys what it looks like with the coilovers. Pretty excited. But what we're really waiting for is to see the new wheels on. Coming in next episode.